Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Napa STEM Academy art video. Today we'll be making Play-Doh. We'll learn about kneading and the acid cream of tartar, as well as the origins of Play-Doh itself. Let's get into it. Play-Doh is so much fun to mess around with and create, but how can it benefit our brains and our bodies? Playing with Play-Doh can enhance fine motor skills, improve pre-writing skills. It can give us more creativity and imagination. It can help us be calm, to develop hand-eye coordination, social skills, and even increase our curiosity and knowledge. So with all that in mind, let's learn a couple of vocabulary words that we'll be using in today's lesson. The first word is knead. The word knead means to form or shape something with your hands. You may have heard this term in some other places, like in baking. Oftentimes you will need to knead baking dough in the same way you will need to knead the Play-Doh. It helps mix dry ingredients together when it's in a doughy form. The other word we'll need to know is cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is an acid, tartaric acid. It's similar to lemon or vinegar. Most commonly, it helps to bond the tricky ingredients together. Here's a fun fact. Mixing cream of tartar and baking soda actually creates baking powder. Now we're ready to prepare to make our Play-Doh. There are so many ways to make Play-Doh. Depending on what you have in your pantry, pick the recipe that works best for you and for your family. The first recipe we have is no cream of tartar Play-Doh recipe, which is the one we'll be doing in the video. For this one, you'll need 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of salt, 3/4 of a cup of water, hot water, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, food coloring, and any seasonings or scents that you would like. The first step is to combine all of your dry ingredients together in a large bowl or container and make sure you mix them thoroughly. After that, make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients and add all the liquids in, and make sure you stir it really well. Step 3 is to make sure you mix it until it turns into a stiff dough. After that, let it sit until it cools down, and once it is cool, knead the dough with your hands until smooth. You could store this in a Ziploc bag or in jars, the list goes on. Make sure you have so much fun and enjoy your creation. Play-Doh is super cool, but how was it discovered anyway? Play-Doh was actually accidentally invented in 1955 by Joseph and Noah McVicker while trying to make a wallpaper cleaner. It was marketed a year later by toy manufacturer Rainbow Crafts. Want to extend your activity and make it even more fun? Here's some ideas. You could use googly eyes and pipe cleaners or sticks to make bugs. Or you could make your own stress balls by filling up balloons with Play-Doh and use a permanent marker to make a silly face. These are just 2 of many examples of how you can take this art project and make it your own. We hope you had a blast kneading your very own Play-Doh. Feel free to check out our lesson plan for this activity for accommodations. We'll see you next week with another art video.